Hey guys, it's WT here from the Coin Alley. It is Thursday, March 15th, and in this episode, we'll be discussing or talking about two news items. First, Google and their plans to ban cryptocurrency-related advertising, and also we'll be talking about Circle. So Circle is launching what is called Circle Invest, and they're offering free cryptocurrency trading, which is, something that's pretty awesome. This is definitely going to give places like Coinbase a run for their money. So let's start off by talking about Google and their plans to ban cryptocurrency-related advertising. So a few months back, in January, Facebook started banning ads that violated their policy. And I have a feeling that this all stemmed from this whole Russia thing that's been going on in the news, where troll farms in Russia purchased a lot of ads that were targeted towards the United States, and the citizens of the United States. But, I think what happened was Facebook pretty much got caught with its pants down, where a lot of ads came through. The ad process is mostly automated. So if you have a credit card, you can go ahead and you can pretty much put an ad out there. So I think what Google is doing is, they're trying to take a page from Facebook, and they're trying to not end up in the same boat. So what they're doing is they're cracking down on cryptocurrency-related advertising. So it says here, we don't have a crystal ball to know where the future is going to go with cryptocurrencies, but we've seen enough consumer harm or potential for harm that's in an area that we want to approach with extreme caution. So Google is approaching this from the viewpoint of the customer. They're wanting to protect their customers, so that's why they're implementing these new policies. And it says here that while the cryptocurrency boom has produced a lot of excitement and wealth, it's still largely unregulated, and we all know that. So pretty much anyone can create an ICO, anyone can create, a cryptocurrency without a whole lot of backing, without a whole lot of research. And I think this is what Google is trying to protect itself from, because, let's say someone bought an ad and they scammed or defrauded a whole bunch of people, and the consumer, we're in a very litigious society, so those who have been harmed are going to go back to Google, and they'll be like, you know what, you let this person post an ad without taking any responsibility. So Google is saying that, you know what, we're going to go ahead and take that responsibility, and we're going to block these types of ads because these ads are uncertain and it's for an unregulated space. So I definitely can see where they're coming from in regards to blocking these types of ads. Now, Google definitely owns YouTube. So I know there are a lot of concerns out there from YouTubers if their channel is going to be blocked. At this point, I don't see Google going that route, since, that would be a form of censorship, and that's probably something that they don't want to, approach, because I'm sure there'll be a lot of blowback from that sort of thing. So that's the news. It's a little bit late. I believe that came out yesterday, and I'm just bringing it to you guys in regards to these changes. It says here, Google said it took down more than 3.2 billion ads in 2017 that violated its policies, which is nearly double the 1.7 billion it removed the year before. Google parent company Alphabet makes roughly 84% of its total revenue from advertising. So that's a whole heap of revenue from advertising. So convincing advertisers that its ecosystem is safe and effective is critically important. So, I definitely understand what they're doing and why they're doing it. I guess we're just going to have to wait and see how it all shakes out. Moving on to the next story, Circle. Circle launches a Coinbase competitor in the U.S. So we know all about Coinbase, but you might not be familiar with Circle. And I've had a Coinbase account, and their service is deplorable. I've had problems with them prior to them canceling my account, and I've talked about that in previous videos. So Circle is launching something called Circle Invest in the United States. So in 46 states, you'll be able to sign up for Circle Invest. The only exception is New York, Minnesota, Hawaii, and Wyoming. So in those states, at this point, you won't be able to sign up for Circle Invest. Now, the app is available on the App Store and also in the Play Store, and it lets you instantly trade the most popular cryptocurrencies and without a fee. So that's the important thing right there, is without a fee. Circle Invest isn't exactly on exchange, as the app hides most of the complexities that you can find on full-fledged exchanges. So you can't submit limit orders or look at the order book. You can only deposit and withdraw money, buy and sell cryptocurrencies at market price. So it says here, Circle Invest currently supports Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin. The company will need to overcome some regulatory challenges to roll out its product in the last 4 states. In other words, Circle Invest is more like Coinbase, a simple service that lets you buy cryptocurrencies without any complex option. But the main difference with Circle Invest is that the new service doesn't have any fees. So ACH transfers from your bank account to Coinbase are free, but exchanging USD on your Coinbase account into cryptocurrency costs 1.49%. So over on Circle, your ACH transfers are also free, and you can buy cryptocurrencies instantly by transfers below $10,000. If you transfer more than that, you'll have to wait a few days. After that, exchanging USD on your Circle account into cryptocurrency is free. So the question is, but what about spread? Yes, the price is different. If you buy or sell Bitcoin, for instance, Circle doesn't try to hide that and say you can expect a 1.5 to 2% spread between buy and sell price. Just like on every stock market, nothing is free, even if there isn't any fees. Coinbase also says that you can expect a spread of 0 to 2%. So I'm excited about Circle, joining this ecosystem, this space of offering a cryptocurrency exchange or a place to exchange your USD for cryptocurrency and without charging an arm and a leg. I can't speak for their customer service since I don't have a Circle Pay account or anything like that, but I do plan to create an account, check out the site and or the platform, and I'll definitely report back to you guys my experience in regards to customer service, user interface, and so on and so forth. Now, recently, companies like Robinhood or Revolut also promise zero-fee cryptocurrency trading. They don't have their own exchange, however. They only act as a broker with other exchanges. Circle is slowly building a full-stack blockchain company from the trading desk to the peer-to-peer payment app in fiat currencies. So guys, what are your thoughts on today's story? Both the Google and the Circle Pay product, or Circle Invest product rather. Let me know your thoughts. If you like this video, please show your support by clicking or hitting the thumbs up button. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the Coin Alley. Please, if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way, when I do post new updates or new videos, you'll be one of the first people to be notified. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's been a few days, a little over a week since my last update. I've been very busy. I'll return with additional videos this week, and we'll be back to our regular subscribers' choice on Sunday, this upcoming Sunday. All right, guys, until our next video, take care of yourself and, of course, as always, each other.